Hey, I'm JT Townsley. I'm with 5 Star Roofing. I've been with the company since they started last year. I've been in the roofing business about 3 years now, and I really love it. I've been able to earn more money than I ever have in my life, and on top of that, I've had more flexibility and kind of a quality of life or work-life balance like I've not been able to have in the past. So that's probably one of the biggest highlights for me. It's hard work, but it pays well, and we've got a great environment, great company, great staff and co-workers, and a really, family-friendly business to work for. Yeah, it's fun.
Guys, my name's Kyle Duffy. I have been in the roofing contracting business for about 4 years now, and I've been with 5 Star Roofing since they first started. It's been an honor being a part of this company from day one. They treat their employees so well. And we appreciate you guys clicking on this video because that means you've got some interest in the roofing field. So we're excited to teach you guys. We pour so much into our new employees to make sure that they're trained up and they'll be successful the minute they start knocking doors. And speaking of knocking doors, get ready for it because we're going to teach you how to be a beast at the door. We're going to teach you how to make more money than you've ever made before, but you got to give us all you got.